Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Xdai to Coinbase Wallet. The Xdai is a Gnosis chain token. It's the native token of the Gnosis chain. And in order to add this token, you're going to need to have to deposit the token from either a centralized exchange or a wallet where you have the tokens being held. Now, to do this, all you need to do is simply click on the receive option and copy your Ethereum address, as the Gnosis chain makes use of the EVM address, which is your general address for most of your tokens, from the BNB chain to the Avalanche to the Base network to the Polygon. So all you need to do is simply copy your address or use your Ethereum QR code to receive the Xdai token. All right, guys, and once you've copied your Ethereum address, in order to make sure you receive or see the Xdai token on your assets menu, head to the settings icon at the bottom right, click on the networks, and if you scroll through, you'd find the Xdai, which is, you'll find the Gnosis chain. So click on the Gnosis chain and enable this chain. By enabling this chain, we're going to be able to receive tokens such as the Xdai, which is the native token of the Gnosis chain or the Gnosis network. And by doing this, click on save, and you'd successfully have enabled the Gnosis chain on your Coinbase wallet, which means when the tokens are deposited on the Coinbase wallet, you'd find the native token, which is the Xdai, on Coinbase. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.